For many years scientists looked around the solar system. Mercury and Venus were too hot. Mars and the outer planets were too cold. Only Earth was just right for life, they thought. Our planet has liquid water, a breathable atmosphere, and a suitable amount of sunshine. Perfect. It didn't have to be that way. If Earth were a little closer to the Sun, it might be like hot choking Venus, a little farther, like cold arid Mars. Somehow, though, we ended up in just the right place with just the right ingredients for life to flourish. Researchers of the 1970s scratched their heads and said, we were in the Goldilocks zone. Circumstellar habitable zone, or the Goldilocks zone, is the range of orbits around a star, with the right temperatures for water to remain liquid. While astronomers still don't know whether there's life on other planets, they narrow the search for potentially habitable worlds, using a handful of criteria. Liquid water is essential for life as we know it. Where we find liquid water on Earth, we also find life. After all, Earth isn't the only planet in the Sun's Goldilocks zone. Venus and Mars are also in this habitable zone. Just because a planet or moon is in the Goldilocks zone of a star, doesn't mean it's going to have life or even liquid water. Venus is Earth's sister planet, both are about the same size and in the same region of the solar system, and Venus once also had water. However, Venus now has a runaway greenhouse effect going on, with a surface temperature of over 460 degrees Celsius, which has boiled away all its liquid water. At the other end of the Sun's Goldilocks zone is Mars, which also once had liquid water flowing across its surface in rivers, lakes and oceans. However, the red planet is now a freeze-dried desert, with a thin carbon dioxide atmosphere. Any water still on Mars is either frozen in the planet's ice caps and permafrost, or quickly subducts directly from ice to gas during the local Martian summer. The location of a Goldilocks zone around another star depends on the type of star. Bigger, hotter stars have their Goldilocks zones further out, while smaller, cooler stars such as red dwarf stars have habitable zones much closer in. When searching for Goldilocks zone, scientists look at both the planet and their stars. Once they find a planet that is just at the right distance from its star, they know that the planet is in the Goldilocks zone and could, maybe, sustain life.